here's King playing his favorite game, rescue the tennis balls from the pool. But obviously, those of you that have played with him know that when you reach for a ball, he'll often get there at the same time. So what I've been working on with him is he has to have all 4 feet in the pool in order for me to throw the ball. So you're seeing this game. This is our 4th attempt. Okay, so I clicked him 4 feet in the pool. That's the bit that's hard for him, is when I reach down, that makes him kind of lose control a little bit. Okay, so I'm getting there. That's not perfect, but it's a whole lot better than having King wrapped around your wrist. I'll just demonstrate this a couple more times. So I'll wait for him to go. So if he makes a mistake, I just stand right up again. I guess he's checking inventory. It's harder the closer you get to the pool, for sure. I might actually back off because there's a tennis ball here, so I'll just back off. Wait for him. I'll just